Hey dear, welcome to you in this lesson. In the last lesson, we have learned how to make this section professional, also how to add this hover effect on this banner. And today I'm going to show you how to center the header menu, also work on the font, actually typography, use the different font in here, even in your website. Also how to remove the Power by Shopify and change the font size from footer. Okay, so to do this, first I'm going to start work on the typography, and for that I'm going to my Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Now going to click on the customize. Okay, then you have to click on the settings. From settings you can find the option that's called typography, and from the typography you can change your font. And here I want to share tips with you. As you are not a professional web designer or Shopify store developer, you started design your website without hiring developer and following my tutorials. So here the guideline how you can choose the font. Just go to the Google and search Google font combination. Then you can find the font combination list here, and for example I am going to select lobster for heading. Just click on the change and search your lobster. Looks here. Here is the lobster. Looks, my font has been changed. Then going to select open sans, body font, open sans. Looks good. And now we can change the font size. Refresh the browser and change the font for our menu section. Also going to work on the menu section. First I want to change the font from here. Find the font with font finder, Monster Sans Serif. Okay, then click on right click on my mouse, inspect, select the menu item and select font family. Okay, looks good. And now we're going to make it center. So first going to copy the code and add this code in the base.css file. Action, edit code. And find this link. It's here. Change the font family. You can use font family as you like. I am just going to show you how you can do this. Okay, click on the save. Now we have changed the font in the website or in our store, and we are going to make the center of this menu. For that, first I select the header, then nav, then make the column gap 23 REM. Okay, and find this code in our base.css file. Here is the code that we are looking, and just add this code, column gap 23. Done. Click on the save. Now refresh my browser. Wow, we have done. It looks good right now. And finally we are going to work on our footer section. So go into my admin panel again, search footer file. Here is the footer.liquid. We have to find this option, this code, copyright content, Control F, copyright content, and here is the power by Shopify. Just remove it. Okay, and also change the font size, copyright font size. Now it looks good. Copy and add this code in the base.css. And finally refresh my browser. Now it looks good. We have done our footer section also. So I hope you understand how we did this one. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any help or any support, service relevant Shopify online store, create a Shopify store, optimize Shopify store, redesign Shopify online store, even Shopify SEO, then you can contact with me. Also, I am a WordPress developer. Have a nice day. Bye bye.